Yo, what's good everybody? Thanks for tuning in and stopping by the channel. Now, as you probably read in the description, you know today's unboxing video will be going over all the details of our new Chrome Shadow Ambassador, its set release date, and just how unique and one-of-a-kind this watch really is. Now, for those of you who are new to this channel, I want to say thank you for tuning in, and I want to invite you to subscribe. That way you don't miss out on all the current and future content that will be living on this channel. If you're one of our returning viewers, as always, we truly appreciate it. Okay, now that we've gotten all that out the way, without further ado, let's dive right into our new Chrome Shadow Ambassador. So before we actually start breaking down the details of this bad boy, I want to go over why and how we chose this colorway. Now, if you are familiar with our brand, you know that we do come from a car background and have a big passion for it. This Chrome Shadow colorway that you do see before you is paying homage to the M3 BMW series. They introduced the Chrome Shadow colorway on the M3 and it looked phenomenal, and of course we wanted to pay homage and apply it to the watch, creating a truly unique one-of-a-kind colorway. Now, it does come in two versions, a soft piano leather band as well as the full stainless steel, and the great thing about this version is if you have a full stainless steel, you can switch to a leather band no problem. Okay, now that we have discussed some of the background of the watch, let's get into the details. Now, if you're looking to add a subtle watch to your collection, but by no means will it take the back seat, the new Chrome Shadow Ambassador is definitely the watch for you. Now, the first detail I want to dive right into is the polished case as well as our signature hexagon bolts. This creates a very smooth, glossy look, very eye-catching, very standout. Turning the watch over to its side, you will see this big, beautiful Meister engraved. Now, the word Meister derives from Germany that translates to English as master. Turning the watch over to its other side, you will see that crown has a nice big M engraved on it as well. Our 8 signature hexagon bolts, crown and pushers are comprised of NASA grade 316 stainless steel. Diving right into the face, you do have a full black surface complementing the Chrome Shadow Roman numerals and the M and the MSTR very well. Adding to the aesthetic, the chronographs are matching black as well. The hands are a luminescent white, which means they will glow in the dark after they are charged. Now, as I stated before, it does come in 2 band options. The version that you see before you comes with the Italian soft piano leather band, and you can see that beautiful raised cross-hatch feature. It is Italian genuine leather. Another great feature that I want to point out is the interchangeable strap on our stainless steel or leather band, and this is how easy it is. So all you have to do is pull down this lever and it releases the band, allowing you to be able to use or change to another band. Turning the watch over to its back, you will see the Ambassador engraved logo, the part number, and the numbered edition of the watch. All Ambassadors are water resistant to 100 meters. Now, I personally own this watch and I absolutely love it. I'm not too much of a subtle person, but I do believe in having one of these watches in your collection. I like to pair it with a nice bracelet. It contrasts very well. It kind of creates a really cool mood. Now, of course, you can dress this watch up or down. It truly is up to you. Either way, it will be your style. Let me know in the comments down below how you would pair this watch, and if you would do it with a bracelet, maybe a darker color, lighter color. Now, me personally, I think styling these watches with a nice light denim jacket goes very well. You can also pair it with a black leather jacket because the watch is so subtle, keeping it black with dark tone shadow. Those two colorways together really adds to the subtleness as well as still allowing it to stand out. Okay, so that's gonna wrap up the breakdown of the details of our new Chrome Shadow Ambassador. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up as it does go a long way for us YouTubers. We want to know your thoughts and encourage you to comment down below. Tell us what your favorite part of this video was. Was it the unveiling of the watch or was it the actual colorway? Either way, tell us down below. Also, let us know in the comments what new videos you would like to see, whether it be a styling video, more unboxings of different watches from the collection, or maybe how-tos, DIYs on how to change your band, maybe change your battery, cleaning of the watch. Either way, it's all important to us, so we do strongly encourage you to keep commenting down below. Make sure you stay tuned to see this watch on wrist and some really cool lifestyles. As always, guys, we truly appreciate you tuning in, as it does mean the world to us. Thank you for continuing to like, comment, subscribe, and share our videos. It always goes a long way for us, and we couldn't be more appreciative. Until the next video, guys, signing off, take care.